In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver a lead magnet with ConvertKit. We'll walk through how to connect your lead magnet like a free PDF or a guide to a landing page or form so that subscribers automatically receive it after they confirm their email. By the end, your audience will be able to sign up and instantly get the resource you promised. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in the dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Click on Grow, and from the drop-down menu, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your existing opt-in forms and landing pages live, and it's also where you can create new ones. If you want to start from scratch, you can click the Create New button to build a brand new landing page or form. But if you already have one that you'd like to use for your lead magnet, simply find it in the list. On the card for that landing page or form, click the More Options icon, then select Edit from the drop-down. In this walkthrough, we'll be working with an existing form, but the process is the same if you create a new one. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top right corner and click on Settings. This opens up a pop-up window with several options. On the left-hand side of that pop-up, click on Incentive. This is the area where you control what happens when someone opts in and confirms their email. Make sure the Send Incentive Email option is enabled. This email is important because it both confirms the subscriber's address and delivers your lead magnet. Below that, look for the After Confirming Redirect to Create section. Here you'll see two choices, URL or download. If your incentive lives on a web page, choose URL and paste the full link to that page. This could be a private page on your website where the resource is hosted. If your lead magnet is a file like a PDF, choose Download. Then click Choose a File. A file picker window from your computer will open. Navigate to the folder where your lead magnet is saved, select the correct file, and then click Open or press Enter on your keyboard. Once the file is attached, click Save in the pop-up to confirm your incentive settings. To finish up, look again at the top right of the editor and click Save and Publish. This makes your changes live so that new subscribers who sign up through this landing page or form will receive your incentive email and get your lead magnet automatically.